Meaning of inbred.
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 Inbred. The term inbred refers to individuals who are closely related and have a higher likelihood of carrying inherited genetic material. Inbreeding can lead to increased expression of deleterious genes, which can result in genetic disorders or reduced fitness. In animals, inbreeding is often intentional to maintain desired traits, but can also occur naturally in small populations. In humans, inbreeding has historically been associated with royal families and inherited genetic disorders such as hemophilia. The negative effects of inbreeding can be mitigated through selective mating and genetic testing to identify carriers of harmful genetic mutations.